Okay, so final multiplication property, power of a product, any integer a, b, or m where a does not equal 0 and b does not equal 0, then the following is true. ab to the mth power is equal to a to the mth times b to the mth. And so to show why this is true, if we have ab to the 4th power, then that would be the same as ab times ab times ab times ab, which would be a to the 4th power, b to the 4th power, right? So really, what we're going to do is we would take 1s, because this is a to the 1st and b to the 1st. Then I'm going to distribute that 4th row so that now I get a to the 4th, b to the 4th. And that's how it works. So let's use it. Anything that doesn't have a power, and that includes numbers. Do not leave out your numbers. Get an exponent of 1. And then we just distribute the 2 to every piece. And I keep repeating that because the most common mistake is that we don't take the squared to the coefficient, which again is our number in front of any multiplication problem. So here we're going to have 3 and then 1 times 2 and c 1 times 2 and d 1 times 2, which is equal to 3 to the 2nd power times c to the 2nd power times d to the 2nd power. And then finally we would evaluate. Almost all of your math excels want you to evaluate your exponent. So 3 squared is 9. So 9c squared d squared is what we would get for an answer. Over here again, in this case the 5's the only one that doesn't have its number. So we're going to put a 1 with it, and then we're going to distribute. So I'm going to end up with 5 to the 3rd power m to the, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and n to the 3 times 3 is 9, and then 5 cubed is 125, and then we have m to the 6, n to the 9th, and that's our final answer. And it's the distributive property for exponents is basically what this is, and that's it. So I would maybe make a list of these rules to just have on like a sticky note or something so that it's there ready. In our next lesson about division, at the end of it we will put a list of everything we have so far. So until later, 8th graders, stay classy.